Welcome to my kitchen. This mango curd recipe adds a tropical flair to any dish you pair it with. And it works with any stone fruit. Is avocado a fruit? Anyway, grab your favorite saucepan and let's do the hula. You take 1 cup of pureed mango. You can always tell they're ripe. They smell sweet and they're a little tender if you squeeze them. Take 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Whisk together. Add 5 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and add your mango puree. And it only took 1 mango to make that 1 cup, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk constantly, because you don't want it to burn or scald anywhere on the corners. And then pour your egg yolk mixture in. And whisk this till it comes up to 170 degrees. It only takes a few minutes. And you're just going to take it and pass it through a fine mesh sieve. This is going to make it creamier and silkier. And it's going to catch any scrambled eggs we might have made. Yep, we made a few scrambled eggs. You can see them. And don't forget the bottom. Look at all of that. Now this is looking a little green to me, so I'm just going to add a few drops of yellow food coloring. 1, 2, 3. And there you go, mango curd. And you can use this for any stone fruit recipe. I used it as filling for my coconut cake, my mango coconut cake. Watch that video next. Anyway, I hope you have fun today. Leave a comment and boop that bell.